about to witness the destruction of the dinosaur age. 66 million years ago, a 6-mile-wide asteroid slammed straight into Earth. This asteroid struck near the coast of ancient Laurasia, what we now know as the Gulf of Mexico. The impact released energy equal to 1 billion atomic bombs exploding. The collision hurled massive chunks of rock debris beyond our atmosphere. Then gravity pulled all this material back down to Earth like a deadly rain. Dinosaurs near ground zero, instantly vaporized by the superheated shockwave. Scientists believe the impact triggered massive tsunamis hundreds of feet high, racing across nearby landmasses at incredible speeds. But this was just the beginning of the nightmare. The worst part, these devastating effects spread around the globe in no time. Wildfires, dust storms, acid rain, these disasters kept hitting again and again. Countless plants and animals went completely extinct. Earth had entered a deadly cycle. Every creature desperately searched for somewhere safe to survive. Wildfires raged everywhere. No living thing could escape. Flames and extreme heat consumed everything, turning the entire planet into a death zone. Choking volcanic ash and toxic gases quickly blanketed the world. Even reaching the vast continents of the southern hemisphere, the poisonous atmosphere was pure hell for massive dinosaurs like the 100-foot-long Pubertasaurus. Their enormous size had once made them incredibly successful, but now it became their biggest weakness. Most dinosaurs on Earth were trying everything they could to escape this disaster. Smaller creatures could hide underground in burrows and caves. But these giants had nowhere to go. 75% of all life on Earth was wiped out completely, making this the most recent mass extinction event in our planet's history. But what about the dinosaurs that managed to survive? What kind of world would they face next? The adult Pubertasaurus, trapped beyond escape, has fallen. However, the young Pukersaurus, who escaped for now, what new challenges will they face next? Many people still believe today that some dinosaurs actually survived the early catastrophe. The massive wildfires broke out because dust and rocks shot high into the atmosphere. When this debris came crashing back down, friction with the air created intense heat, setting off widespread fires across the surface. Most dinosaurs died in this disaster, but when we run computer simulations to see how the superheat wave spread, the results are surprising. The heat wave did spread over time, but some places were barely affected at all. These potential safe zones would definitely have dinosaurs that made it through. After analyzing traces of the asteroid impact on the Yucatan Peninsula, scientists used advanced scanning technology. They found an underwater crater 180 kilometers wide. Looking closely, you can see the crater rim is open at the top. This shows the melted bedrock flowed toward the northwest. This happened because the asteroid likely hit at an angle coming from the south on a northward trajectory. So this disaster hit the northern hemisphere much harder, while the southern hemisphere suffered less damage. Back in dinosaur times, the southern hemisphere had a supercontinent called Gondwana. Around 66 million years ago, it started breaking apart. South America, Antarctica, and Australia were still connected. So many scientists think on this southern land, mass far from the impact site, the destruction wouldn't have been as severe. The dinosaurs living there probably had a good chance of surviving. So how exactly did they go extinct? And what kinds of dinosaurs lived on this continent? Let's keep investigating. This dinosaur hasn't eaten for a week. Just as it bends down to search for food, something unexpected happens.